Hey YouTube, look what I got in the mail. Scrapping with Grandpa sticker. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks, Drew. You gave me a business card. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, so you live in the North Carolina area. I'm a little bit too far away. I'm in New Brunswick, Canada. But thanks, Scrapping with Grandpa. Awesome. Now I gotta find a spot to stick these stickers. So still trying to clean up a lot of stuff. Next few days are not going to be good to be in the garage. They are predicting minus 30 to minus 40 degree weather for 2 days with high winds, blizzard-like conditions, and that will entail, could be up to record historic wind chills up to minus 52 to minus 57, so for a day or two. So hopefully everybody stays safe. So Scrapping Rodriguez, I'll take your temperatures in Dallas any day, so I'll swap you temperatures. But yeah, so still got lots to do. Hopefully warm weather will come and I'll be able to get back to doing some scrapping. Transformers. I see everybody is stripping wire. I've got to get my wire stripper out and join in everybody's wire stripping frenzy. But yeah. It's Wednesday evening, about 6 o'clock, and yeah, so I was very excited to get the sticker. Awesome. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and we'll talk to you later.